Imagine needing to whip up some really stunning visual content, maybe a killer social media post, or a super polished presentation, even a compelling video. We all know the feeling, right? It often takes hours of design work and, let's be honest, a level of technical skill that most of us, well, we just don't have the time or maybe the expertise for. So what if there was a single tool that could slash that design time and actually generate entire videos from just your ideas, almost like magic? Well, today that's exactly what we're diving into Canva. But we're not just skimming the surface, the graphic design stuff everyone knows. Nope, we're zeroing in on its pretty impressive AI features with a real spotlight on its revolutionary AI video generator. Our mission here is to unpack how Canva is, well, really democratizing complex design and video creation, making it so you can bring your best ideas to life surprisingly easily. We'll explore the sheer breadth of its tools, the, quote, magic behind its AI, and what this all means for creators like you. And just so you know, our insights are coming straight from Canva itself, their own descriptions of the AI video generator and the platform. So straight from the source. Okay, let's get into it then. Before we jump straight to the AI video, it's probably worth just understanding how vast Canva's whole ecosystem has become. It's definitely not just for making a quick Instagram graphic anymore, is it?
Oh, not at all. Not even close. I think what's really revolutionary isn't just the number of tools, though that's impressive. It's how it's become this holistic visual operating system, really. Think about it. You can go from needing a social media graphic to designing a business card for print, maybe even building a whole website. It's all under one roof now. That integration is key. You're not hopping between 5 different specialist apps anymore.
Right, that friction slows you down so much.
Exactly. So on the digital side, their visual suite is just a powerhouse. You've got collaborative stuff like sheets, docs, whiteboards, then the essentials, presentations, social media, photo editor, videos. And beyond that, tools for resumes, logos, infographics, graphs, and charts. There's even a freehand draw tool and a pretty solid PDF editor now.
Wow, okay. That covers a lot of ground already. What about print? People still need physical stuff.
Absolutely, and Canva's got that covered too. Imagine designing, I don't know, slick new business cards or maybe a vibrant flyer, even a custom t-shirt or hoodie. You can do all that with the same kind of intuitive feel. Invitations, brochures, mugs, stickers, posters, calendars, photo books. It's like having a custom print shop right there.
Okay, so digital covered, print covered.
Yeah.
What about handling images and photos? That's still core for design.
Definitely core. And the toolkit there is incredibly robust. You've got your standard photo editor, background remover, the basics you'd expect. But then it gets interesting with photo collages, mock-ups, an image enhancer, and crucially, this is where the AI really starts to creep in. AI image generator, AI photo editor, even an AI art generator.
So the magic is starting to appear even before video.
Exactly. It infuses into static visuals first. And then, tying it all together, video and audio. You've got the standard video editor, a specific YouTube video editor, tools to trim video, record online. But the big one, the reason we're really focusing today, is that integrated AI video generator. Plus, they've added some pretty cool audio features too. Text-to-speech voiceovers, an AI music generator, and an AI voice generator. It's becoming a full multimedia hub.
That is an absolutely astonishing array of tools. Seriously, it's like a creative arsenal for almost any visual or audio need you could think of.
Yeah.
And yet, like you said, what really elevates it, makes it so uniquely powerful now, is how that AI is woven through everything. So how does that magic actually, transform the experience?
Right. Let's zoom in on that magic. Canva's AI, which they mostly centralize under the name Magic Studio, it's designed to fundamentally change how you work with all those tools we just listed. It's not really about just bolting on an AI feature here or there. It's about embedding it throughout the creative process to automate, enhance, simplify, basically cut out the tedious bits.
Okay, so what's in this Magic Studio?
Well, you've got a suite of quite powerful capabilities. There's the Canva AI assistant for quick ideas, something called Canva Code that lets users build custom extensions, personalize their workflow. Then there's Magic Resize, instantly adapting designs for different formats, which is a huge time saver. Magic Animate brings things to life. Magic Write helps generate text content. You also have tools like Translate, Magic Insights for visualizing data, and even Magic Formulas for advanced data stuff right within your designs. These aren't just gimmicks, they're genuinely designed to tackle the repetitive or sometimes complex parts of design work, so you can focus more on the creative vision itself. I remember trying to make just a simple promo video a few years back. Spent hours, literally hours, just finding the right stock footage. It was painful.
Oh yeah, I know that feeling. The endless scroll.
Exactly. Now you can potentially just type a prompt, and the AI does that heavy lifting in seconds.
Yeah.
Well, it's a massive shift in how we approach these tasks.
It's really clear they're investing heavily in AI across the board, everything from text to resizing animation. But the thing that seems to be getting the most buzz, and what I'm really keen to understand, is the video creation part. How is this AI impacting video? Because video has always felt like the most complex, the most time-intensive mountain to climb for many people.
That's a great point. And yeah, the AI video generator is truly the star of the show right now. It's called Create a Video Clip, and it's powered by Google's VO3.
VO3, okay, so that's pretty cutting-edge tech then.
Yeah, very much so. It means you're tapping into some seriously advanced, high-quality video generation. The output aims to be incredibly polished, realistic. Its main job to turn your text prompts into these stunning AI-generated videos, like in just one click. What's particularly impressive, I think, is that it includes not just visuals, but cinematic visuals, plus synchronized audio.
Synchronized audio, you mean like dialogue, sound effects?
Exactly. Dialogue, sound effects, the whole package. The source material emphasizes how this helps you skip hours of searching, sketching, or rendering. You just instantly generate an AI-powered video from text. It handles finding the visuals, matching the sound.
Okay, specifics. What kind of video does it actually spit out?
So per prompt, it generates a 16.9 aspect ratio video, 8 seconds long. And that 8 seconds includes dialogue, sound design, even music, all synchronized.
8 seconds, okay. So short clips, but potentially very rich clips.
Precisely. And after it generates that clip, you can then pull it straight into a Canva design, use the normal editor to customize it further, apply filters, remove backgrounds with a click, add text overlays, you name it. It's about getting that core idea visualized, bypassing those traditional hurdles like finding footage or hiring voice actors.
That is pretty mind-blowing. Cinematic quality video from text with sound.
Wow.
But the source also mentioned something about it, engaging the audience in a more personal way, something about not needing to be on camera. What was that about?
Ah, yes. That's another standout feature. Engage your audience with talking heads. This basically means, yeah, you don't need to get in front of the camera yourself if you don't want to or can't. The AI can take your photo, even just a selfie, and turn it into a talking head avatar that speaks your script.
My own photo, seriously.
Your own photo, or you can pick from a library of pre-made AI avatars if you prefer. And the versatility is pretty remarkable. These AI presenters can deliver your script in over 40 languages, or you can upload your own voice recording, your own audio track for them to lip sync to.
40 languages. Wow. So you could create localized content really easily.
Potentially, yes. It makes adding that human element super easy, whether it's for, say, an onboarding video, a quick social media ad, training material, whatever. No need for cameras, lights, green screens.
Okay, so you can generate the base video from text and have an AI presenter deliver the message. But anyway, I guess I wonder about creative control then. After the AI does its thing, how easy is it really to then shape it, to supercharge those visuals, as the source put it? Does that need a different skill set?
That's a fair question, and it gets back to Canva's core philosophy, I think. Even after the AI generates the video clip and the talking head, you still have access to all of Canva's usual design tools. So, supercharge your video with impactful visuals means you can dive into their huge library pre-made templates, stickers, graphics, icons, and layer them onto your video. You can create custom animations for any element you add, play around with different fonts, tweak color schemes to match your brand or the video's mood.
Right, so it's not like the AI spits it out and you're stuck with it.
Not at all. The emphasis is still on creative freedom, but without the steep learning curve of traditional, complex video editing software. The idea is you don't need to be a pro video editor. Your creativity can just, well, run free within that more guided Canva environment.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, with tools this advanced AI video generation, talking heads from photos, you might think this is purely for, I don't know, pro designers or big media companies. But the source material seemed clear that Canva's reach is much, much broader than that. So who exactly can use these powerful features? What's the deal with access?
Yeah, that's a really crucial point, accessibility. While the tools are sophisticated, Canva's structured its plans to reach a very wide audience. You've got the free plan, obviously. Then pro, teams, enterprise, specific plans for nonprofits, and a big push into education, both K-12 and higher ed. Now, it is important to note, the really advanced AI video generation that create a video clip feature we talked about, powered by VO3, that specifically is available for pro, teams, enterprise, and nonprofit users.
Okay, so not on the free plan for the cinematic video generation.
Correct. Users on those paid plans can create a limited number of those cinematic clips per month. So, while many AI features are widely available, the most powerful video generation is positioned as more of a premium, professional-grade tool, but accessible through various paid tiers.
Got it. What about businesses specifically? How are they targeting them?
Oh, Canva for Business is a huge focus. They have specific plans like Canva Enterprise and Canva Teams, plus services like dedicated enterprise onboarding. They're really aiming to cover all sorts of functions within a company: marketing, creative, sales, communications, HR, supporting use cases like content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management.
So pretty much any department that needs to create visuals.
Exactly. And they tailor solutions for different types of businesses too. Big enterprise, small business, agencies, startups, even franchises, and across various industries: real estate, higher ed, government, tech, media, retail, e-commerce, you name it. Key features for businesses often highlighted are things like brand templates for consistency, team management tools, content management, integrations with other apps, and importantly, security features like SSO,
SSO.
single sign-on, makes it easier and more secure for employees in larger organizations to access Canva.
Right. Okay. And you mentioned education too.
Yes, Canva for Education is massive. For K-12, it's not just a tool they can use. Canva has built a dedicated ecosystem. Think of teachers easily creating interactive lesson plans, maybe integrating them directly into their
LMS.
learning management system. Like Google Classroom, Canvas, Moodle, those platforms schools use. They provide specific resources for teachers, support for whole schools and districts. And for higher education, they have the Canva for Campus plan. It's aimed at improving academic success, ensuring accessibility, managing the university's brand, providing security and reports, plus resources just for students.
Wow.
So yeah, whether you're a student, a small business owner, a marketing pro in a big company, or a teacher, Canva is actively building solutions for your visual communication needs. It's pretty comprehensive.
It really is clear that their vision now goes way beyond just being a simple design app. It's become this comprehensive visual communication platform for almost anyone. From that K-12 teacher making worksheets to a global company managing its entire brand identity. That power is incredibly exciting, genuinely putting sophisticated video creation in so many more hands. But, like any really powerful tool, it must raise some important practical questions. Like, what about commercial use? Can I just generate a video and use it in an ad? And how does Canva handle responsible AI use, especially when anyone can potentially create such advanced content now?
Yeah, connecting this to the bigger picture of AI everywhere, those are absolutely critical points. On commercial use, Canva's stance is generally that designs you generate with Canva AI can be used for personal or commercial projects. However, and this is a big however, there are important caveats. The user, so you, are ultimately responsible for making sure that content is suitable for your use case. You also need to figure out if you need permission to depict certain things like existing works of art, photos, trademarks, logos, that the AI might inadvertently generate something similar to.
So the AI might generate something that looks like a famous logo, and using that would be a problem.
Potentially, yes. Canva explicitly states they don't guarantee that the AI-generated stuff, images, designs, text, video is cleared for any specific use, especially if it happens to resemble someone else's existing work. So users really have to read and stick to Canva's AI product terms and their general terms of use. Due diligence is key.
Okay, that makes sense. User responsibility is paramount. What about safety, preventing misuse?
On safety and responsibility, Canva says they've put measures in place. They use automated reviews of input prompts, basically scanning what you type in to catch terms that might generate inappropriate or harmful content. They also have clear ways for users to report unsafe content if something slips through, and they encourage feedback to their support teams. It shows they're trying to iterate and improve safety. And their policy is pretty direct. They won't tolerate any use of Canva AI that violates our terms and acceptable use policy. So they're trying to balance enabling creativity with maintaining a safe, ethical platform.
So it really is this incredibly potent tool, democratizing video creation in a way we haven't seen before, but it definitely comes with that responsibility. Users need to understand the guidelines, the implications. What's really fascinating, I think, is seeing how they're trying to strike that balance, making it super accessible, yet also building in accountability and emphasizing informed use.
Right, and that pretty much wraps up our deep dive into Canva's AI creative powerhouse today. We journeyed from its incredibly vast suite of design tools covering digital, print, images, audio, right into the heart of its Magic Studio. We focused particularly on that game-changing AI video generator powered by Google's VO3. We saw how it can dramatically simplify really complex tasks. Generating cinematic videos from just text prompts, creating dynamic talking heads without a camera, easily enriching visuals using their huge media library. And we also touched on how broadly applicable this is now. Individuals, schools, universities, small businesses, global enterprises, all while Canva emphasizes the importance of using these powerful tools responsibly. So the big question to leave you with is,
what does this all mean for you? Given this unprecedented ease, generating cinematic quality video, complete with dialogue and sound, using AI, what new kinds of storytelling, what new forms of communication suddenly become possible for individuals or small teams, things that were just completely out of reach before. How might this kind of technology shift the whole media landscape? And maybe even fundamentally change what it means to be a creator in the years to come? Definitely something to think about as these tools keep evolving so rapidly.